this is our JM-1000 toolbox mini jet, all self-contained. In this jetter, you'll find the 50 feet of stainless steel hose, 1500 PSI, 1.4 gallons per minute flow, perfect for 1.5 to 3 inch lines. You're gonna find grease traps, soft stoppages in general, sand, sludge. That's really what you're tackling with this. Again, all self-contained, so when you're done with the job, you pack up everything, you're good to go. The water supply is either gonna be a faucet or a hose. You just hook it up there. When we run this, you're gonna see the jetter's pulling itself essentially, and when you pull back, that's what's doing the cleaning, right? That's what's shearing off that soft stoppage. So right now, very popular, again, for those grease traps, for those soft stoppages, for those short runs of 15 to 35 feet is really the sweet spot, but this jetter will absolutely attack any job you have.